start making the recipe, I have grated here carrots, and now I'm going to grind it into a smooth paste with just 2 tablespoons of water into it and grind it into a smooth paste. And after grinding it, I will set aside the paste, and after that I'm going to boil some water into it. I'm going to add salt, and now I'm going to add fresh spinach leaves here, and I will just bring to boil, and then I will squeeze out the extra water from the spinach and make a smooth paste. My green and saffron color is ready, and now I'm going to take MTR Rava Idli instant mix, and with this I'm going to make this recipe for the breakfast. So let's begin. I will take 1 cup of idli mix, instant mix from here, and I will add half a cup of sour curd or yogurt or dahi. I have used here Amul Masti dahi, which is very easily available in all the markets or in all the groceries, and mix it well. After mixing it well, then I'm going to add just round about 1 tablespoon of water into it and mix it well and set aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, my instant rava has been ready, and now I'm going to divide into 3 parts. In one part, I'm going to add the grated and grinded carrot paste. Mix it well. At this time, if you need a little bit of water, you can add, but very little. We need a thick consistency. And into another mixer, I'm going to add the spinach paste into it and mix it well. And my green and saffron and white color is ready for tiranga idli. And now I will grease a idli pan. I'm going to make this in micro oven. If you don't have micro oven, then you can do it in the gas in idli maker. And I will, as I'm doing it in micro oven, so I'm going to put this in micro oven for around about 15 minutes in high mode, and my idli will come out very nicely. Beautiful tiranga idli. I hope you will enjoy this in your breakfast in this 15th August, and do try and let me know how did it come out. The consistency of the idli mix should be thick. I'm adding a little bit of water into the idli stand, and I'm going to place this in the micro oven for 15 minutes and in high mode. After 15 minutes, my idli has come out well. See the color. My God. Eat healthy, stay healthy, and happy Independence Day to all of my viewers. Bye bye, take care, till my next video.